In this video, I will show you how you can use wireless DeX on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra to your laptop or to your PC. Now before we start, just make sure that your Samsung Galaxy S26 and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After you connect both of your devices to the same Wi-Fi network, then on your laptop or PC, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just click on System. From here, just scroll down and click on Optional Features. Over here, just scroll down and look for the option for wireless display. Now if you can find the wireless display option over here, then this is good. But for an example, if the wireless display option is not available over here, then just scroll up and click on Add a Feature. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you find the wireless display option, just click on it to select it, then click on Add. Now just wait for a couple of seconds to download the wireless display option to your laptop. Now once you have added the wireless display option to your laptop, then in the side menu, just click on Project this PC. Now under some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC, just click on this menu and make sure you select Available Everywhere. After that, beneath Ask to project to this PC, just click on First Time Only, and under Require PIN for pairing, just select Never. Then finally, make sure you disable this PC can be discovered for projection when it is plugged into charge. Because when you enable this toggle, your PC will not be discoverable by your smartphone unless your PC is connected to any power source. So make sure you disable this toggle. After you disable this toggle, then just close the settings. Now for the next step, just grab your Samsung phone and go to Settings. Under Settings, just click on Connected Devices. Now over here, you will find the option for Samsung DeX. Now just tap on it. Now over here, just scroll down and tap on Connect Wirelessly. After that, you will find the name of your laptop in this section. Just tap on the name of your laptop and select Start Now. Now you will find a notification on the screen of your laptop. Just click on OK. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. And after you do that, then you will be able to use wireless DeX on your laptop or on your PC. Now you can either use the trackpad of your laptop or you can use your Samsung device as a trackpad. For that, just tap on the rectangle icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now after you do that, your Samsung phone will convert to a trackpad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.